Hey folks, and welcome to the channel. In our shop today is a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to be installing a 3-inch front lift kit on it. We also installed a rear lift kit as well as some upper control arms in the front, so make sure you check out those videos as well. If you're following along with us at home, you're going to want to round up some metric wrenches, some metric sockets, a mallet, and a good-sized pry bar. So let's get started.
Up in the engine compartment, disconnect the upper shock mounts. Moving underneath, disconnect the shocks from the axle. Next, you'll want to disconnect the stabilizer links. Then you can wiggle the axle down and remove the coil springs. With the lift spacers installed over the spring isolators, install the springs back into the Jeep. Reinstall the shocks and tighten the lower mounts to 21 foot-pound. Back up in the engine bay, tighten the upper shock mounts to 26 foot-pounds. And finally, attach the stabilizer links and tighten those bolts to 78 foot-pounds.
So we've got the front kit installed on our Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we're really happy how it turned out. It looks great with the rear kit and the upper control arms that we also installed, so make sure you check out those videos as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like. If this is your first time checking out our channel, please hit subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions at all about any of our products, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We've been at this a very long time, so if you have a question, we'll have an answer. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.